Let's bring the rain. We need to do a follow-up to the...
Oh, the rainmaker.
So let's go back in the house.
Do you like it?
Well, I suppose is that the green that we are really looking for?
I don't know. I like that blue. It's pretty cool.
Hi, that's the blue we were looking for.
I like that. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Might as well.
40 from there. We'll just say that that is pretty much, if that was a plumb bob, that's pretty much the edge of the tub. That is 3 feet, half of 3 feet. 18. Dot. Now, I'll just say off this wall to there is going to be 21. That's really interesting. So I suppose that's the center. It's really getting cramped in my prison of pipes. Alright, so now I'm going to go measure the thing, the rain, and when I return, I'll have a rain shower dimension. 24 by 14. Woof. That curve comes at you very quick. Well, now I just need it to dry. Let's bring the rain.
Doesn't that seem a little far over?
Over this way?
I don't know.
Well, I centered it, so it seems a little far down because of the arch. The bus arch. But,
Mm-hmm.
I suppose it will figure it out.
It seems too close to this.
Well, I mean, I know it does, but you have to also take in mind that the top of the bus does lean. The top of the bus is more narrow than the bottom of the bus. By about 3 inches than the floor. It's going to be level like this as best as I can.
Oh, because...
I can't really do it like this because then it's going to squirt on the wall.
Uh-huh.
So, that is the plan right there. I'll hold it.
That's very nice. I don't know how you're going to be able to shower in that, so...
I mean, it's not really about me showering in it. It's about being in the tub, sitting and being rained on. It's for you to sit here and reflect on your doom and your own personal rain cloud. And then when you're over your rain, you turn the rain off and you go about your day.
Mm.
Yeah?
Sure.
Okay. So this guy, how does that go?
I don't know.
I think we only need one of them because we're not really full of a whole bunch of weight.
And you can put it kind of in the center there by the pipe.
If I only had the right things with me, back I have to. What do you think?
Okay.
It doesn't seem level anymore. It seems like it's too much down here.
What is level anyway?
What is level? And for my next trick,
Nothing up my sleeve. Presto! Ooh, don't know my own strength.
Again, we don't have any rabbits.
I was given a chicken cage yesterday.
What are you gonna do with a chicken cage?
I refused it.
Oh.
Because. So the rain feature is in. Oh, so you want a $20,000 bathroom renovation, and we're going to cram it in a space of, I don't know, 2 foot by 3 foot by 5.5 feet tall? Got you, babe. Oh, and we're going to do it with a budget for less than, I don't know, $500. Nope, we've already blown that.
We've already blown that.
So, anyways, here we go.
Next, we gotta attach something to something.
So I guess I need to go up. So this is the valve for this. So we need to get there to there somehow.
Man.
Now I just need to go. Okay.
Oh, you're putting the shower thingy over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I think if there's a chance that we can, like I said,
Oh, put it out the window.
Over. So for this side,
Where's the valve going? Over by the thing?
that's the wrong side. That's awesome.
Uh-oh.
Grabbed the wrong size because it was laying next to the other side. So.
Oops.
Okay, let's get the right size now. Alright, so that's the gist of that.
Alright. We're getting closer and closer and closer.
That's better there.
I mean,
Symmetry.
it does give a little symmetry.
Something like so.
Okie dokie.
Now I just need to make.
Right.
My camera off now. Alright, that looks like that's the thing. Now I have to, about here probably, put the little spinny bit so that you can put the shower hose on when that's a thing. Now I'm going to solder it all in.
Yep.
So really the look that I'm trying to go for is the, of course, hold the water. everybody likes to hold the water. But the look that I'm really trying to go for is the not overdone look. You see how there's just a little bit of thread, a little bit of tape. The other one has tape from there all the way down to there on it, and that's what I just cleaned off before I came back. I don't like that look. So what I'm saying to you is, this one here might not have leaked, but doesn't this one look neater? You decide. But then again, this was just somebody's water heater in the garage. Nobody cared. Well, that is a little bit wonky.
Okie dokie.
Currently, the toilet paper has 0 PSI.
There's no pressure on this toilet right now.
And it is too long. We gotta take up all the length out of it. Well, let's go ahead and pressure test first. So all the valves are closed, so that valve is for the shower head. This valve is for the rain. This valve is for the waterfall.
Right.
Everything's closed.
Okay.
That's the one I had to.
Yeah.
That's going to be fun. So waterfall comes first.
Well.
Curtain back for the rain. I forgot to take it.
I suppose next.
You got a green bed?
I mean, yeah. I suppose next we fix our leaks and then we figure out the electrical. Well, that's fancy.
Yes.
Now it's dinner time.
Dinner, that's what's for dinner.
My cornbread sank in the middle.
What?
My cornbread sank in the middle.
And he was going up that was a big branch. He walked very slow.
Oh, I see him.
Look at his stripe. He looks exactly like this, the plane.
Oh, that's crazy.
Well, if there's one, there's not one. There's never just one.